A spark plug plays a key role in the performance of your motorcycle. If your motorcycle has an ignition problem or is misfiring, there is a chance of excess carbon deposit on the spark plug. Or if there are issues with mileage, you may have to replace the spark plug of your motorcycle. It's an easy and simple task. Here is how to do it. To start with, ensure you have all the tools. A spark plug tool, a 12mm open-end spanner. These are available in your motorcycle toolkit. You'll also need a new spark plug. It is always recommended to use a genuine Royal Enfield spark plug. It is available at an authorized Royal Enfield service center near you. Ensure that the ignition and kill switch are in the off mode. Before opening the spark plug, blow away the dust in the surrounding area to prevent it from falling inside the cylinder head. First, pull out the suppressor cap from the spark plug. With the help of the plug spanner and 12mm spanner, remove the spark plug. Take the spark plug and inspect the electrode area, and if you find excess carbon deposition, then clean it with a soft cloth. If the carbon deposit is old and tough to clean, you may have to replace it. Place the new spark plug into the cylinder head area and tighten it firmly. Locate the suppressor cap and press it. Make sure it is firmly fitted to avoid misfiring. Next time your motorcycle spark plug is giving trouble, you know how to replace it. Ride safe.